Hey guys, it's Alex. So today I just want to go over a major update in the dropshipping space and what you guys should do today to start preparing before it takes effect on March 17th. Now this update is regarding your Facebook ads and will further restrict targeting. So this is definitely something that you guys want to start planning for ahead, specifically right now. So starting on March 17th, about a month from now, Facebook will be removing any detailed targeting options that can be deemed as sensitive. Now these are topics such as politics, race, religion, health, and so much more. Now personally, I view this as a downside because the Facebook ads policy already requires you to give their users the best experience possible. If you violate any of their policies while running ads, they'll restrict your advertising account and you need to complete a review to get it reinstated. This is going to prevent so many helpful companies from providing solutions and products to certain target audiences, as now they're going to be harder to reach. So with limited targeting options ahead, here's what you should be doing right now to prepare. Okay, so the first thing that you can do if your frequently used audiences are going away is actually replace them with similar audiences, and I know that goes without being said, but Facebook will actually suggest the most similar audiences based on the interests that you guys already have targeted on there. And if you guys are creating new ad sets, you won't even be allowed to target the interests that are going away in March. It's only if you're currently already targeting them like I am with some of my own brands. So go through each interest that you're already using, see what Facebook suggests from you to go on from there, and keep using those going forward. If you guys use any interests that are going away, it will significantly slow down and impact your ads on March 17th. And you guys just want to prepare now instead of dealing with those delays later on. Another great option is to use purchase lookalike audiences based on your Facebook pixel data. So if you guys have been running ads on Facebook for some time now and tracking the data with your pixel installed on your Shopify store, then chances are you have some good customer data built up in there. What you guys can actually do is go on your audiences, create a lookalike audience based on purchases, and target anywhere from 1% similarities to 10% similarities, with the audience range going up between each. So I definitely target like 1 to 3%, 5 to 7%, 7 to 9%, and see which one performs best out of those. But lookalike audiences based on the purchase data is a very great way to scale going forward. So the third way is just to market to your existing audience already. So if you guys are having any issues with your Facebook ads, maybe go back and focus on your email marketing, your SMS marketing, or run some promotions on your social media pages. But there are so many different channels to bring in both paid and free traffic to gain sales on your store. You guys should be taking advantage of all of them. I hope this video eases any worries that you guys have about Facebook ads targeting going into March. If so, consider sharing, leaving a like, and subscribing for more. I have 2 ecom resources in the description below for you guys to check out. Feel free to do so. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.